forward and dropping your hands. ¿Miraste la patita? Go, keep going. Nobody's talking to you. You need to learn to not turn. Do not ever turn to look at us.
He keeps trying to talk.
Yeah, I know. Tú chingatelo, Alexis. He needs to be ready all the time. Get your combinations and move, Alexis. His legs are done. Outbox. There you go. Now move. And then get yourself back into range. Outbox him. You can easily outbox him. Use your legs, baby. So remember that when you stay in there. Uy! Oof! A la madre! Ese, mire. Throw your. Get yourself out, Baba. Turn. Hug him if you have to.